angle AFC is equal to measure angle ESC by using our two givens. Measure angle AFB is equal to measure angle CFD, and measure angle BFC is equal to measure angle DFE by using the angle addition postulate. So as our first step, we have to write our first given. So our first given would be measure angle AFB is equal to measure angle CFD. And on the reasoning column, we're going to write given. Here we have a diagram. So since we have our givens measure angle AFB is equal to measure angle CFD, we have to mark it up. So mark up AFB and CFD. Now we have our second given, and that's going to be also our second statement. So measure angle BFC is equal to measure angle DFE. And on our reasoning, we would also write given. Here, looking back at our diagram, we also have to mark up our givens. So our second given would be BFC and DFE. At this point, I'm going to explain to you what angle addition postulate is. Angle addition postulate is basically taking two small angles, add them together, you get one big angle. So for our third step, we're gonna prove that measure angle AFC is equal to measure angle EFC. So we're gonna write measure angle AFC equals to, looking at our diagram again, we see that we have AFC. Now we're gonna do AFB plus BFC, because if you add AFB to BFC, you get AFC. And on our reasoning, we would write angle addition postulate. Now we have to make sure that AFC is equal to measure angle EFC, so we also have to do EFC. So for our fourth step, we would do the same thing as step 3. So we would do measure angle EFC equals to, looking back at our diagram again, we have EFC. So in order to find the angle, we have to do EFD plus DFC, because, like again, if we add these two angles together, we get one big angle. So that would also be angle addition postulate. At this point, you have to check if you have everything, make sure everything is solved, make sure everything is proven. So looking back at your diagram, we know now that all these angles added together make up this one big angle. So for our fifth statement, we would write our proven problem. So measure angle AFC is equal to measure angle EFC. And we would just simply write in the reasoning substitution. Now, looking back again, we now know that this whole angle is now added together is proven. So, measure angle AFC is equal to measure angle EFC. This problem is now proven.